The Give Donation History widget basically displays a list of previous donations happened on your website. The data comes with a set of variables to help users see more content. On the Content tab, you got 6 switches to show or hide specific details on screen. You can show ID number, date, donor name, amount, donation status, and payment method for all the entries. Plus, there is a column named Details contain receipts for each donations. Moving on to the Style tab, you will get 2 sections to customize the appearance of the header and the body of the content. You can change the color, border width, and style, padding, as well as typography for both parts. The body section contains 4 subsections and one of them is called Stripe. It is for creating the stripe color pattern you can see on the display. That's it. Please like and subscribe this channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.